In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the theme code for your Shopify store. So, whether you're looking to create a backup or tweaking the design with custom modifications, understanding how to download your Shopify theme can be really helpful. Let's dive straight into the process. First, you'll want to ensure that you're logged into your Shopify account. Once you're on the Shopify homepage, look towards the left-hand side where you'll find a navigation pane. It's packed with various options that allow you to manage your store effectively. One of these options is labeled as Online Store. Go ahead and click on Online Store, which will seamlessly expand to display a further set of options for you to work with. In the section that just expanded, another option will become visible called Themes. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to managing how your online store looks. Click on Themes, and it will direct you to a page dedicated to theme management. Here, you can preview what your store looks like, explore different theme options, and importantly, gain access to the theme code. Next to the Customize button for your current theme, you'll notice 3 dots. Clicking these dots will reveal an additional menu with more options. From this menu, you'll want to choose Download Theme File. Selecting this option tells Shopify you're preparing to download a copy of your theme's code. At this step, a pop-up will appear on your screen. This is Shopify's way of confirming that the theme file is being compiled and will be sent to your registered email address. It's important to have access to this email, as that is where your theme's downloadable file will be delivered. So when you see the pop-up with details about your email, simply click on the Send Email button. Now the last critical step is to check your inbox at the email address associated with your Shopify account. The email you're expecting will contain a link to download your theme file. Simply follow the instructions in the email to complete the download and save the theme file to your desired location on your computer. And there we have it. You've successfully downloaded your Shopify theme file. It's always a savvy move to keep a backup, especially if you plan to make custom changes or are preparing for a major design overhaul. You can revisit these steps anytime you need another copy, ensuring your store's design is always safely stored and ready for action. That's it for today's guide. I hope you found these instructions clear and useful. Remember to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Until next time, happy Shopify managing.